unconscious people. So first, put the first put the patient into lateral position, right lateral position, support the knee and the head. Then put the incontinent pad right near the cheek, and to avoid sweating or weeping. Then mix the 100 ml water and 8 ml hydrogen peroxide solution. Then get using the faucet with the sterile pad. Then make it smooth. Put the solution. Then using the pound pressure, open the mouth. Then brush from up and down, circular motion. Right side, circular motion. Left side, circular motion. Then the up bite step up, go and forth. Then back of the test, go and forth. Then last the tongue. Start. Then get the cotton buds. Put the moisturizer left. The patient leave. Then discard. Now back the patient to supine position. Support the neck and the head. Do aftercare. Remove the continent pad. Now I'm done. Thank you.